HubSpot has a free CRM, but when you upgrade to paid tools like marketing, sales, or service hubs, there is often a way to get 20% off, 20% to 90% off, especially if you are a startup or nonprofit. Here's how to apply a HubSpot promo code or discount. First of all, visit the HubSpot.com/startups. Again, HubSpot.com/startups. And if you're a new business, startup incubator member or VC backed, you could get 20% off the first year. Check the HubSpot for nonprofits. They offer up to 40% off nonprofit pricing if you qualify. Next, referral or a partner discount. If someone referred you or you're working with HubSpot partner agency, they can give you a 20 to 30% discount via their custom link. Next, redeem the code. If you already have a code, go to the settings, account and billing, and click upgrade plan and look for the promo code field before checkout. HubSpot also runs seasonal discount around Q1 and Q4, so it's worth watching for those. Just don't upgrade without checking. You could be leaving free money on the table. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.